Hello students, Unit 8 Art. If I could fly. 4th class English notes part 2. Match the bats with the balls to get the pair of rhyming words and write the rhyming words in the space provided. Fly, sky, moon, June, bright, sight, day, play, green, seen, speak, read and answer orally. If you get a pair of wings, where would you like to fly? Why? What else would you do there? If I will get a pair of wings, I would like to fly on sky and I want to see my elders who are in sky like stars. I would like to spend my time with those elders. Imagine you are the poet and complete the following passage. Pictures are given as clues. I want wings to fly into the sky. I would like to carry a brush to color the clouds with blue and yellow. My desire is to paint the rainbow. At night, when the stars and moon come out, I would paint them too. Listen and say aloud. Cat, mat, fat, bat, mad, bad, dad, sad. Pen, hen, men, den, bed, fed, led, shed. Now say the words and write them in circles A and B based on their sounds. In first circle, mat, fat, pat, mad, cat, bad, dad, sad. In second circle, fed, led, shed, men, pen, hen, den, bed. Here is the poem The Paint Box. Read and enjoy. Singing, singing. Modelling, modeling. Photography, photography. Painting, painting. Dancing, dancing. Sculpture, sculpture. A unique painting. Speak. Complete the following dialogues in pairs and play the roles. Akbar. Birbal, make me a painting and use imagination in it. Birbal. But Huzur, how can I possibly paint? Akbar. If I don't get a good painting in a week, you shall be sent away from this land. After a week, Birbal. Huzur, there is the painting. Akbar. What is this? Birbal. Huzur, it's a cow eating grass. Akbar. Where is the cow? Birbal. I have used my imagination. The cow ate the grass and went away. Akbar. Now I understand that I cannot make someone a painter. Right. Two columns are given below. Column A has questions and column B has the incomplete answers. Complete the answers and match the columns in pairs. In A column and B column. A, first one. What was Birbal in the court of Akbar? Birbal would be, first one is, Birbal was minister. What would be the punishment if Birbal did not bring a painting? Birbal would be sent out of the country. How did the courtiers feel on hearing? They felt happy on hearing. What was the picture? The picture showed just cow and grass. Listen and color. In A, can you identify the following dance forms? Write them in the boxes. First one is Kolata. Second one is Bharatanatyam. Third one is Dollu Kunita. Fourth one is Yakshagana. Do you know these? Write the names of the states related to the classical dance forms. Pictures and the names of the capital cities have been given as clues. Capital cities and states. Capital city Tiruvananthapuram, state is Kerala. Hyderabad, state is Andhra Pradesh. Imphal is the capital of Manipura. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Pictures of some musical instruments are given in column A. Their names are given in column B, but some letters are missing. Fill in the blanks to get the name of the musical instrument. First one is tabla. Second one is violin. Third one is guitar. Fourth one is harmonium. Fifth one is flute. Who are we? Fill in the blanks with one word which is choosing from the ones given in brackets and match the column A and B. One is done for you. He dances. First one, he dances. He is a dancer. Second one, we paint pictures. We are painters. Third one, they carve out stones. They are sculptures. Fifth one, I sing songs. I am a singer. Sixth one, Mohan plays on the guitar. Mohan is a guitarist. Seventh one, you capture pictures in a camera. You are a photographer. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition, choosing from the ones given in brackets. Keshav Murthy is a well-known Bharatanatyam dancer from Karnataka. He came to participate in the All India Dance Competition held at Jaipur. The competition was on 31st July 2013. The dancers from different states came to perform there. All the participants gathered at the backstage for their preparation. The competition started at 9 am. Every dancer performed well and Keshav Murthy got the first place. Complete the following dialogues and practice them in pairs. A. Do you like to dance? B. Yes, I do. B. Do you know skating? A. No, I don't. Complete the dialogues and find a partner to practice. A. Can you draw a picture of lion? B. No, I can't. B. Can you play on the ground? A. Yes, I do. Complete the birthday invitation given below by filling the gaps with the appropriate prepositions given in brackets. Hi friend, I am inviting you to my birthday party, which will be full of fun and frolic. The party is on 24th May at 7 pm in my sweet home. By there, don't miss out from the fun. From your dear friend Piggy. Complete the following letters by filling the gaps with the appropriate words given in the flower. Games, cake, balloons, dress, home, birthday. Dear Granny, I am doing well. How about you? Do you know yesterday was my birthday? My home was decorated with colorful balloons. I wore a new dress. Daddy bought a big cake for me. Mama served delicious food to all of us. We played many games and enjoyed a lot. Take care. Lovingly yours, sweetie.